You can make between $500 and $1,000 every week by doing just a simple task online. All you just have to do is to perform a specific task based on your time schedule, and voila, you are able to make money. This is actually an app for those of you that say you don't have a system or a tablet or what have you, but I'm very sure if you have your mobile phone well connected, you can actually make use of this 5 mobile app, and trust me, you're going to report back to me how you make a lot of money. If this is what you really want, do ensure you stay tuned and I will be right back. This is the first time of you coming across our videos, do ensure you subscribe to the channel if you find this video valuable, and you hit this notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. Try to like our videos, share our videos if you discover this video is really valuable and demand for more sharing. The first app we're going to be looking towards today is PapaPower. PapaPower is actually a companion platform where you can make a lot of money. That is required for you is for you to become a companion or engaging in a great conversation. You know, there are some people that are at home, they are really wanting to have a friend that they could interact or have a friend that they could share an idea with. Why can't you be one, possibly at your leisure time, whereby you could find someone that really needs your advice and needs your companion, that needs someone to gist with? You can be one of them. You can also serve as a tech support by trying to check out some apps and giving out a honest review or tips. You also tend to run an errand or transportation if you are very close to the clients that really need the services as well. You can also tend to be a pet keeper or a child nanny. All this can always be done, and trust me, you're going to make a lot of money from it. May note to you that PapaPower pays you based on the work done, and also they gives you more bonuses depending on the extra work you also perform to their client. So all this is actually one thing I think it is very easy for me and for you to do. So if that is what you want, you can actually try to check them out. The only thing you need for you to get applied to them is for you to actually place your mobile number with them, and you tend to apply. So once your application is being granted, you're going to be sent an email, reach out to you and let you know your schedules and how you can actually make money with them. So I advise you to apply with them. Let me know your experience with them. Website is called StudyPool. StudyPool is actually a study platform where people tend to share an ideas and also sell their ideas for in exchange of money. Have you actually graduated from the university, or you are actually in the university, or you have an idea, you have books that you think it is going to be valuable for someone? You can tend to sell them out right here. And let me let you know this, that you can actually make up to $5,000 every month as a student. All you just have to do is to get your assignment or your books, or possibly a document you think is going to be of value to people or students like yourself, upload it, and before you know, you get paid. And let me also let you know right here that per person that views your document, you're going to be paid $10. And let's make a simple calculation right here. If 10,000 people tends to view your document every day, and you're being paid $10 per a person, I'm very sure that is a ton of money which you will like to be making, right? So there are two ways you can actually make money in StudyPool right here. So the first one is you uploading or selling a document right here, and the second one is you becoming a tutor. And I'm actually earn between $7,500 per month. All you just have to do is to get engaged with students that really need to be tutored, or answering some assignment questions for interested students, and before you know, you can make a tons of money. First and foremost, sign up with them, and after that, if you're a student and you want to sell your document, the next thing you're going to do after signing up with them is to come over to sell documents. Here you can be able to upload your document, and boom, you can start selling your document. And also as a tutor, if what you just have to do is to come over to become a tutor right here, just click right there. You can actually apply as a tutor right there. So you can actually apply anywhere in the world, no matter how, whether you're from Africa, you're from Asia, anywhere you are in the world, you can apply and work with them, and rest assured that you're going to be paid. So I advise you guys to apply and try to let me know your experience with them and how you are able to make your money with them. Trust me, 2023 is going to be a changing year for you. next website on the list is Clickworker. Clickworker is actually a platform where you can perform a simple task and you will get paid immediately. You tend to get a profit for your talent, and you are able to do what you enjoy doing while you get paid. So these are varieties of job they have in Clickworker, such as text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, survey, and many more. You can be able to go through them and ensure you see which of those ones you are fit for. And there is also an application where you can tend to take a track of what you are doing. So one thing I want you to know is that each task Clickworker gives to you, there is going to be a price tag added to it. When immediately you completed that task and you get approved for the task, then you immediately be paid, and they tend to pay you immediately after you perform a particular task. And let known to you, you can be able to withdraw this money out. For example, if I'm able to perform 20 tasks in a day and I'm being paid $5 on each of those tasks, make known to you that is over $100 every day, and in 7 days that is approximately $700, and in a month I believe you know how much that will be, right? So this is actually a website where you can actually make a passive income for yourself and your family. I want you to actually register up with them, try to see how you can actually make money with them, and let me know your experience with this website. Actually enjoying this video, do ensure you give a like on this video, try to share this video to your friend, comment on it. We want to make money together 2023. I hope you guys are getting it right. Now, next one on the list is Tester Up. Tester Up is one of the sites where you can test an app or a site testing and you get paid. Right away, you can actually make up to $120 per testing offer. Let's take, for example, a particular developer tends to create a particular app and he wants to know what are the honest review of people. They could actually give it down to you for you to test it out and give your honest review. By the time you do that, you're going to be paid for it, and also a site to assess and see how friendly and durability the website could be. So you giving out your honest review tends to let them know where to amend or where to improve on that particular site. All those things tends to have a payment attached to it. So as for me, I test 10 apps every day and I'm able to make $1,200 every day. You can see that is huge, right? So ask you to test it out and let me know your experience with them, and I will be providing all the links to this website in the description. You can actually check it out. And also this website has an app. If you are using an iOS, you can go to Apple Play Store and download them. If you actually use it, you can go to the Play Store and download them and get familiar with them. So if you like this video like this, ensure you hit a subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. To ensure again in another video, keep exploring and making money. Bye.